Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at the metal market because silver has climbed down from 14-year highs in yesterday's session. So really bullish rhetoric there. And gold as well is gearing up potentially for another record high. The focus is on the US trade tariffs. Donald Trump has notified 25 world leaders that there will be tariffs imposed on them from August the 1st. 25% on Mexico and EU, for example, European Union. So we're just waiting to see if that's going to come into effect. We've still got roughly about 15 days to go if we can get a negotiation. But the likelihood is we've seen what Donald Trump has done before on his trade tariffs. So he could potentially just go for it and slap these tariffs on these countries. So we'll see how that is going to affect the dollar as well as gold. So let's just take a look at the yellow metal, and I've just pointed out the $3,000 area just to show that we are currently still far away from the psychological zone. We did dip below it at the beginning of April, but since then we've had a nice, choppy consolidation since then, and price action has just been hovering roughly around 3,300, which has become the next psychological support in that particular area. So let's just go intraday because we're just waiting to see now if, again, there's any room for maneuver because it's, as I said, very choppy, very indecisive, swinging higher roughly by about $50–60, then falling lower, then swinging higher again. So we're just waiting to break out of this particular area here before we can get a little bit excited to see the next direction for the yellow metal. Obviously, the RSI has been vastly overbought in recent sessions, slightly climbing down now, but as you can see, we're just waiting to see if we're going to have another pickup in that direction as well, to potentially cause a bearish divergence to start moving things a bit lower and price action as well. So that's something we're just keeping an eye out for in the near term. But let's just take a look on silver because, like I said, if we just go back to like a weekly chart or something like that, as you can see here, we look at this vast momentum shift on the on silver, and it's progressively gone better than gold because it's hitting higher highs, not really dipping too low, and pushing again in the last few weeks. This is from the beginning of June. So in the last couple of months, just seeing this bullish momentum keep on moving higher and higher. So again, as usual, like we do, let's just look on intraday because we want to see the opportunities there. Obviously, we've had a little bit of a sell-off since then naturally, but we'll just see how far the sell-off is going to go because we've had them before when we've had momentous upshifts in price action and then sell-offs, upshifts, sell-offs. But this particular bullish momentum has seen over $4 being added to the to silver. So we're just waiting to see now if we're going to have more of a charge lower or if prices are going to just keep on remaining bullish for the near term. Obviously, keep an eye out for the main headlines. Obviously, Donald Trump is moving the market quite significantly in the last few trading sessions. So this is something we're looking out for. And if we do see these tariffs being placed on August the 1st, expect quite a volatile market. But until then, we've got a few weeks to go until a negotiation can take place. Don't forget that he did threaten China with very big tariffs in the past, and then he reduced them quite significantly. So this could happen once again. But obviously, it hasn't happened yet. We have to wait and see, and we'll just wait and see if that's going to come into fruition. So thank you very much for joining me once again today. Have a great trend day ahead. Make sure you listen out for all the fundamentals that could start moving the market. I will speak again next.